I'm Dave Critchley. I'm the executive head chef at Luban restaurant in Liverpool. So I'm here today, we're going to cook some dishes here in front of everyone. I'm down supporting the work that the South Liverpool Homes are doing. When the guys from South Liverpool Homes came to the restaurant, I got talking to them. I really like the idea of the project. It's something that really is close to home for me as a local lad and so involved with the food industry in Liverpool. It's something that I felt I just had to get involved with. A lot of the food is grown locally in the Grow Speke project, so I'm going to hopefully use some really nice kale and some cabbage. I'm going to try and whiz through as many recipes as I can today, so hopefully we're going to have a real nice kale, broccoli and cheddar soup on, which will be really nice, really healthy, full of them really good greens that are grown locally. And then we'll just do some other bits and pieces. I'll do some stir fry, which is a bit of a nod towards the kind of food I'm doing at the moment, but also really accessible for everyone that they can do at home as well. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. All the ingredients we're using today are very accessible. They can be picked up here at the marketplace. The techniques are very simple, and that's something that I'm very keen to speak to them about today. Is you shouldn't overthink it. It's all about real simple ingredients, really quickly cooked, and that's when you get the most out of all those ingredients, all the healthy benefits from those vegetables and stuff. So hopefully a few tips today that will just encourage people to give it a go, and that's the main thing. Give it a go and see how it works out.